Nanka nana won chire nsemu sa but abusia His Royal Majesty Otumfuo Asantehene the second Korea hene na pia won kwasebo di ane abo emu ase yesu wewu abusia obekasa chire so na amanfo bi kase na ntumi ntu kwa enko Canada okọ Canada ebe che no America kra no okọ Poland no na amanfo chire so okọ Canada ebe che ne ade but na bekasa obe chire mdi entia na ontu kwa enko Canada na nankasa bekasa me mo nchire bu no chire wa adwen e de amame ewa comment section aha ipenya block media mes rasi ani demo obe like keep it down my subscribe button and by click notification icon of latest update about the wa adwen da mama ewa comment section obaso na che force anya ba hwe me kanfo nala money send app ena de ama o USA o UK obe send ka ede ba fie o send eno kakra unua bi kakra udofo bi kakra maame kakra eja kakra nala force because o ye penya block media family member ntino use promo code no penya TV ever send ka ebra fie do ba chew eku $20 or the chew kwa me hold on ti what they talk is nala now let's go to the conversation. So it was on 29th May 2026 and Otumfuo Asantehene nana pia ongwaso o ti anazi kakra go na o tutu kwai akom ya so o just say Europe on no there what the whole nyina abonebo what I say Emma was starting a country no with Poland as the koduru Poland koduru hono no in fact a woman a very beautiful welcoming address.
Yeah, welcome to Villato Palace. Natalia, head of our art department. Yeah. Let's go, kids are waiting. It will be first experience. They will see the yeah. So they have, I don't really know, I just start playing.
Present works of art in this beautiful historical place inside, but also what we try to do is bring large formats of sculpture and place them in the garden so that it goes with the historical character of the garden, but also so people who are visiting the palace can be surrounded by top names of
Otumfuo
Emma omo de call omo prestigious golf centers Emma no call ball golf. me hodom kra no omo ema na ana.
First of all, Her Majesty would like to, yes, please. We'd like to thank you very, very, very much for visiting us, for being here. It's a great honor. First of all, how was the course?
It was very interesting, but we have to come back to beat the course.
We bet on that. Everybody heard that His Majesty will come back, so...
That would be agreed.
First of all, Mr. Rafa, would you be so kind to exchange the symbolic flags that we have for His Majesty?
Absolutely. Pink tournament, Rosa Golf Club. So you'll have great memories. Really, so that's specifically for you. Let them see it. Yeah.
And Your Majesty was so kind to sign one for you as well.
Yes.
So you have to say.
That's for me then.
Yes.
Thank you.
Looks
Thank
really,
you.
And I'll
really
keep
good.
it for a moment.
Thank you.
Okay.
I say omo e present some award be some gift be special gift be edema no. Emma the next day omo de ko omo top charity 5th edition program ase na ho no ana omo raise fund be edema no omo ya fund raise Emma Otumfuo. Emma on the spot omo raise 20 million euros within 90 minutes. Edema Otumfuo Asantehene say na ye the way e chew. Who don't he? Yeah, the way I now. So what me cry na your invitation. Now what to quite about Poland Hanamono. Yes, yeah, the way I mau, yeah, then you share with Munyam. Yen say we answer very but we for proper 20 million euros. Emma Hon Otumfuo crowd in same way etuga.
Travel the journey to Poland in a way that would help develop humanity.
Sure.
And so I thank you very much for this audience. I thank you very much for supporting a just cause. I know they're doing it for humanity. And if we don't support those who are not privileged to be able to have education, health and everything, it turns out to affect us.
Now from that, you know, about 200 country course or Chin Europe as a scaffold kukudam. Any penny 43 na tons afro 2 moments omni nisia edwene asanteman yeye any asanteman koso and went to quite and ya Ghana blaster accept trache mo fa boss to baby you know Otumfuo we Poland hono na video by say oh free Poland atwa na kontu so no na say media na so na ye hu Otumfuo bi bia na na ntene nka bi and am so am no aborofo no Ohene David edi animu ebe started some allegations and accusations on the internet out of nowhere. And Ohene David ebe started post to be on Facebook. Actually, we say Nana Asantehene sabe yache no. Obetire say yache Asantehene wa dem but because say woye onimonyamfo oye otitiri wa Ghana henti no omo mpese omdi ni mfonyi any news in ebe ba Asantehene de ono no intel e kire ne say yache Asantehene yache no woduru Canada airport no yache no. I was like dey na Ohene David wo keken already NSA internet say a be week na yenti Asantehene nka a be week yenti nka nti media say in fact na abeye shepa ma abeye dene ama Asantefo no ombo defense na emfa because say yenchi na ene na Ohene David say ese ya che no but because say na eye ni monyamfo nti omo pese omo di ni picture ni any news ni beba ebegure ni masinti no omo di na sie omo di news no omo kata so but ya che na ana Asantefo so ebo defense but defense omo bono no omo nya bibia fan support omo defense wa ke ni Asantehene kura no onamo ha ana se hu se wo kro we mu ya hu se onamo ha no mo just na hwe ma edi be na wotwe it just na Asantefo in fact omo toba ha ebi ma be mo bada ebi mo so do ma so jino mu na so ebo defense na nkasa na emu a ene hint ba ye say Otumfuo Asantehene in next 2-3 days obeduru Canada mountain so. And I said now before then there was video and Canada hono Toronto mountain so omode Asanteman flag any kenten to maybe akata just say edua kra ni kente akata ho oh just no more omo prepare ground so no for Asantehene and lo and behold Asantehene ekopie mu e Canada mountain so emoduro dey in fact nyamianim no kreni there were series of videos ahini e dankasa. Please, Ahene and Gaza there. But that's the Panaka Mina Asantehene I want to say. Ahene no, Dankasa. That was Asantehene Echo PMU, Canada, Toronto, Mountains. But that time, when I got off so, you were ball, 80 honor, only your program be anopad, I'm a program crown. Say, and a sequoia.
As our beloved Black Stars prepare to take the pitch today at the BMO field against Panama, this sports village stands as a symbol of our collective heartbeat. The eyes of the world are upon Toronto, and the pride of our nation rests on the shoulders of our Black Stars. So, beyond the excitement of the football matches, this gathering represents a deepening of the economic and cultural bilateral relationship between Ghana and Canada. Yesterday, during our business engagements, we spoke of trade, Republic of Ghana, and may God bless Canada. Thank you very much.
Just only a sika 43 and we for them penny for equishai as almost you Asantema and what tired do to quite Asantema ye Asantema in Kosovo and ye Ghana blasters Asantema in Kosovo says Omukoye program be Emma Numreno Ghana blasters game air Kosovo na Otumfuo stadium hobby Ghana for ya rene a said a month for Asantehene to me to Canada no Yahoo Canada one that's a feel no narrative no assessor and after be must start cast high and ye say Otumfuo Asantehene etimi abepie mo Canada there and a young fast that no come John Mahama
me ma post me video no M4 Otumfuo ho no video no ma post nipa na comment to video no hu no abe comment Otumfuo is in Canada now Otumfuo is in Canada now eye de no timi ko du Canada kwan be no fa so ko du ye wo ha no say wa bro ni be ka che say na kwan mu nye eni nti dada na wa che na kwan mu nye se de kwan mu abie kama nti na me adom kwan mu abie no ko du ye wo bi ta say hwan ni timi bua ma kwan num bie ye nipa obo abie kwan num no monkoda nipa akora se obaye no mu gina atamfo mashiro atamfo ni wuye monkoda nipa akora obo e monkoda president Mahama ase president Mahama da woro ma no watima rowrom Otumfuo ye transit na mo so ko Canada na nye ye de no koduru first na wantimi ankwa na osinsen wie ma se wabro ni be ka kire odobro ni se wabro ni be ka kire ye se ani omo se obeba ontimi mbade nya se de na bibi asi wo kwan mu na bibi asi wo kwan mu na kwan mu nye o se na ho se na kwan mu nye tidi na ma kwan mu nye nipa no be yi kwan nu ma kwan nu mu ye mo fa se da ma no na munja na ye de mo ka so ntimi ma waba kwan be na ofa so ko ye nipa na obo anu mo nda na se munja de mo kira mo be da president Mahama se president Mahama ye da wate se wa aboa ye atimi awurawura mo Otumfuo atimi akokre niam wo so kre mo atimi akoye niam wo so mo ye se de se wabro ni kan no amamre ni amane no otimi bo amamutimi ye ya nde nyame adom finally be ye 25 years anati say ni no ne Otumfuo atimi akọ Canada because of president Mahama mo pass da ne ma no na munja de mo kire no dine da so ye ma
na eye Mahama na frefre ye konan ko mo stop na obada ne so but eye Mahama e na frefre ye oni chief of staff mo enti ye fast da ne no nyam enkoma Mahama I was like da na Otumfuo mu ye Otumfuo da na mu cheche ada mu ya befu ana mu ya hene wa
e bia na boye ya before me ba yenu mo
mu ya dey Munkama yante muya hefwa but ade achi on the 18th no ana mo bo odwa kese e wo Toronto mountain so a certain complex bi mu the hono e no tu vanga ka say no obechire mu because it's about 30 years Canada mountains on 29 NC hoda etemanfo e was some concerns be in their mind but Otumfuo ankasa e de nchire mu wei e ne baaye
na nyese mintimi mbakuru ma
So no spoon of one. Then Ghana to performance for the survey. The more far, can I have so a little suffer? Yo, Canada, Messa, Sarah, travel, so inferior, no soon. On Sarah can't, when I do it, I find Emma. And see, I'm also a young Sarah from Canada. To Obu Sucesso, to Zephyr was a rubber. Now, the baby on was a woman said, Sabi, Dana Mine, and no one said, would do my dear, and you were ever.
9 years, I mean to be back.
But sister, you are moving to a dear other source. As to you, Papa. Now, so then, next I go to Mokumba.
Anyone is with Menua back one or has Abraham ya branch, Quabna Sutia.
Yo,
on Ascorman point now, Wakone Creche.
Yo,
Media de no mum no natures and a free ranty munti, Nanya de between a casa membra.
Yo,
Tiomo yes, and the Ebeyan she be a bit in the Miaba.
Yo,
No the bar now, foreign affairs for so I can't choose a monqua de munti frail to force wombra.
Yo,
Just a buying who woman sandwich Miaba.
Yo,
Tini now modern Biasan, Mebantini and a man a casa.
Yo,
Name Crum had me by Grace Manson or Haim Abecha, me Grace over her say.
Yo,
And 79 and son me buy 79 and back room had no what downtown.
Yo,
And son I make qua Saba 8.
Yo,
My name in your Pabrapias, me cofa no buy.
Yo,
And nearby had na me say Jan, horse media, me Sako Britain, Hona me Menikan, a Hona me Bibiao.
Yo,
And I'm say Jahokoi.
Yo,
If you are non monoano, Mansa Mana, Mesa Cotra baby, I'm a tea.
Yo,
The trap baby, I'm tea, the nature say, Maquentu no, Yair Sukakran, yes, oh, sorry, Anako baby.
Yo,
And Nuntin and a member has a.
Yo,
Every papa here. I buy cinema Wagana, then she share and buy natures a druce to send you some bahasi.
Yo,
Now, my name so J, some bar me home and nana. And yet,
Yo,
at the 4 and I'm near 1 fear a dear 9 soon, ye now, my home be no. Almost share. She share in the buy now couple bossunti. You may dear Nana no more resume. Now, me say, I was semi free hammer a memory day every year, bear no night. The crater and the buyer.
Yo,
Catch me office also, almost I no one cancer baby. So, my yakwan so in Shiamon's and Macqua, me home to me.
Yo,
Into memory dano. Memory than the woman Yama and I mean Yada Jinemunshia.
Yo,
Munhuna and pat me by na Meshiamo and San Mako.
Yo,
And Nuntinama and Nation say Ebeka home. Natures I can name you in a Ria Caber no 9 and Cameko.
Yo,
Nam yes, Debbie, Yansa son and I mean free Hannah Joe. Now we ate him, Nimunia Medi. Montina, minimum 18 and boy, minimum did any area sandmark.
As we trim just no be a banner no, Ubia in season no, Ubian cash and chair, but on one cassa. On one cassa. Be pierced in the quest went to quite Canada and I say, but no one if you send a Branson so about Canada mountains, but a Branson, you know, on one cassa. Wabahono, Otumfuo Asantehene. Do you have anything to say? What is your take on this? How you penya bro, be share wadwe e de ama me e wo comment section. Akra.